This video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Netflix errors. So if all of a sudden you're getting this message, Netflix has encountered an error, there are quite a number of steps you can take to restore your account and your movie watching experience to back to normal. So if you can't watch movies or TV shows on your Netflix, to fix this, there are quite a number of steps you can take. Let's get into it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Netflix account and then scroll down up to the end of the page. And here we go. This is the end of the page. Then choose Help Center. And from here, we have recommendation for you on how to fix your account. So if you have problems, you can see we have fix a problem. Go ahead and choose the problem that pertains to your account. We have account issues, billing issues, error codes, and problem watching. So if you are experiencing any problem with watching, maybe you are able to access your account but you can't watch, then just click on this, and below it you can fix problems on your Android. If you are on your Android smartphone, you can fix problem on your TVs if you are watching via TV, and tablets as well. So go ahead and choose a problem that pertains to your gadget, and once you click on it, we have here quite a number of steps you can take to fix that problem. So to fix a problem on your Android phone or tablet, you are told you can turn your device off then back on, that is restarting your device, and under it you are told turn your phone or tablet off, make sure it's turned off and not just locked, and then turn it back and try Netflix again. You can also try clearing the app data, and here this is one of the best action you can take. And for this, if you are on your phone, go to your app and under app info, go to storage and then clear storage. If that didn't solve your problem, you can further reinstall Netflix app by uninstalling and installing it afresh. You can also test your internet connection to make sure it is okay, and then restart your home network, and this should be some of the steps you can take. We also have solutions pertaining to your account. For instance, if you are having account issues, you can use any of this to fix your problem by following any of them. Another problem that you might be encountering is errors. And if we go under error here, you can see we have errors for Netflix isn't working, Netflix errors, and we have here they have codes. Go ahead and click or choose the particular error that you are encountering, and we have been given here some of the steps you can take to fix these errors. One of the solutions is to check your internet connection, to restart your device, and to restart your home network, as well as move your Wi-Fi router. You are told if your device doesn't get strong Wi-Fi signal from your router, the connection will be less stable and can cause issues. So you have to look into this range of solutions that can apply. You can also set DNS to automatic for PlayStation or Xbox only, and also you can contact your internet service provider if the above didn't help you or didn't work. So that's how you can fix errors on Netflix. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.